There are so many reasons to get excited about the Instagram platform. It now has 1 billion active users, and businesses of all kinds are seeing excellent results from setting up a profile and advertising with Instagram. Instagram ads are not the most expensive way to promote your business and brand, but it is not a cheap option either. So, you really need to get it right to see the highest returns. Many online marketers know about the power of Instagram and that it can be used to reach their target audience. But they don't go about this in the right way and then end up claiming that advertising on Instagram doesn't work. It does work. You just need to know what you are doing. But how can you benefit from it? Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you will learn to identify your target audience correctly. You will understand why engagement is the most important thing with social media. You will learn to boost your engagement levels with all of your Instagram ads. You will learn to choose the right type of Instagram ad to connect with your audience in the best way. You will learn to successfully advertise on Instagram. To make it easy, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. Introducing Instagram Ad Success, the complete beginner's guide to successful advertising on Instagram. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert on this, and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. Why Instagram ads? What are Instagram ads? Setting goals in the best Instagram ad format for your business. Identifying your target audience. Content and budget. Creating Instagram ad campaigns. Measuring the performance of your Instagram account. Great tools for your Instagram ads. Best practices for successful Instagram ads, plus a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to successfully advertise on Instagram. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. You want to create successful Instagram ads. You want to identify your target audience correctly. You want to know how to choose the right type of Instagram ad to connect with your audience in the best way. You want to generate leads and sales with Instagram ads. You want to learn how you can boost your engagement levels with all of your Instagram ads. Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your next question is, how much? If you were going to hire an expert on this to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops. But you won't have to invest anywhere near that today. And it just keeps getting better. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, Instagram Ad Success Cheat Sheet, valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy-to-follow steps so that you can make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2, Instagram Ad Success Mind Map, valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. The mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast action bonus number 3, Instagram Ad Success Resource Guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you're looking for. Try this guide on my dime. There's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution on how to successfully advertise on Instagram. So it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you. That's why I'm going to give you a full 30 days to decide if this is for you. If for any reason or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply send me an email and I'll refund every penny of your tiny investment, no questions asked. Click the button below now to get instant access. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you successfully advertise on Instagram. I'll see you on the inside.